Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. First off, we have glue. I prefer Elmer's glue, but there was no Elmer's glue, so I got Studio Art. And then I have poured all my glue in there, and my brother's doing it with me. And then next we add colors, anything, glitter, color, and I'm using this cool yellow. I like this yellow.
I got four boxes.
This is not yours.
No.
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 It's not. And then we pour a little. I prefer like, yeah, that's it. I added way too much, I think. And then you mix it all up.
Nice color.
You can add like glitter or anything else if you want. And I want this pretty yellow. So I am mixing it. So you should add a little by little because you don't know if it gets too dark, the color that you want, or too light, and I want it dark. Oh my gosh. Okay, so when I was closing this got on my face, and I'm like, close. And I'm like,
No, feel good.
feel good? It feels good. Okay. And then, let's go. I think I want it a little bit darker. Just add little by little. Make sure that you don't add that much to where you skip your color that you want to a darkness. And it's all over my hand.
Watch your eyes again.
Okay, this is the color I want. It's pretty. And then you add your lotion. I am using Studio 35 Beauty. It's a lotion.
Let me see.
Yeah, that thing. I don't know.
No, you can't see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's go.
Nice farting.
Yeah, nice farting. Oh no.
This is lotion?
Yeah, it's a lotion. This is lotion to make your slime a little bit better.
It's softer.
Yeah, and softer. But most lotions do make it sticky.
Put more color from your brother's green one.
Open it.
Maybe
Oh my gosh.
Because it looks more
Ooh.
better. It's not looking.
Actually, I just want to add the whole thing. I can't. I think I already had the whole thing. Yeah, okay. I want that type of yellow. Okay, yeah. Okay. And next we you can add glitter if you want to. I ran out of glitter, so I'm not gonna put any. And then next we have activator. I put it in a water bottle, so like someone may drink it, but it's in here where I keep all my slime stuff. And we're gonna add little by little. If you add too much, it might get over activated. But if your slime needs a lot, don't go like so rushing or it's gonna get your slime really hard. So go a little by little. I think let's go a spoonful. If you're making big batches, then you should add like a lot. But like not that much. You should still add a little by little. So first it should be mixing. And if it's getting together, and if it's still fully liquid but it's getting together, I think you should add another bits of more slime, I guess. Activator. A little by little. So. At the end, I will show you guys how many slimes I have.
How many spoons you want?
You have to go a little by little, or it might get overactivated, so you don't know. Look, it's becoming slime.
This is plain. Airplane.
Yeah, airplane coming in the way, boys. Okay, I think this needs a lot. Oh no. Okay, yeah. Another one I made with this one took a lot of activator, but like it worked out and it was good.
Now you have to set it.
No, first it's Yeah, and then like after you're done making it, you guys should be able to set it for a day. Oh no, I added too much, I think. Okay. We're gonna keep on mixing. I'm gonna pause video. So guys, I am done with my slime. I added a few colors to get the color that I wanted, and here it is. I still have paint on me. And I'm gonna try making a bubble. I'm not good with bubbles. My brother's better at me than bubbles. So like this. Perfect. And I will be moving to my next slime. As I said, I would be showing you guys all my slimes. And this one. This one I made yesterday and it's really good. Like, I love that pink color. So, let's begin. I want to start off with this one because this one was hard rock until I put it in water and now it became so good. I like it. But it's like watery texture. It's really jiggly though. Wow. I added water in it or it would be like hard rock. And so we will be moving to our next slime because I have so many slime. But this one is purple and I named it Crystal. This one I named Orange Juice. Orange Juice. It's water. And a slime texture. So this is called Orange Juice. Look, it's so watery. Okay. Orange Juice is too watery, and now we're gonna move to our next one. Jeez, it's water on there. Okay, next one I will be moving to this clear slime that I made. That I put it golden. Okay, let's go. Swap this out. Oh my god, it's sticking. Okay, that's better. It is a really little amount because I didn't have a big container. Wow. It's cool. And this one I'm gonna name, I have no name for this. But let's move on to our next one. Which is gonna be this one. Okay, right here. This is weird. This one is good. I like it because the pops are really good. And this one I named Blueberry. It looks like a blueberry color. That was loud. This one really poppy. I know that was. Okay, this is blueberry, and next we have blue raspberry. I'm naming them all fruits. This one, like, so far, pretty good. This one's like butter slime. Like so buttery. Wow. Okay, moving. This is blue raspberry. Okay, next slime we will be having these. Okay. Last but not least, pink. E.
Watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon actually. There we have it. Watermelon. Okay. So guys, I don't want this video to be long, so Rolling on now. Okay, so bye guys. I see you later, and hopefully you guys have good slimes, and hopefully this recipe worked for you guys. And like this video if it worked, and subscribe to our channel. My mom does makeup and all stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.